starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Subway going, I think it's at 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $11. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going just under 2 miles.
All right, there you go, Ross.
Thank you.
Right, I'll get over.
Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. No tip on that one. Total for that was $2 and change. It only took me like 9 minutes, maybe 10. Next up is an IHOP. This one is going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $10. Very nice. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is going 4.5 miles. Total for that order was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $7 going 4 miles, only one item. Next order up is a Peachtree restaurant going 5.5 miles. Total for that order was $10. Finally got the next order. This is Gravity Coffee going 4.5 miles.
Perfect. Here's a straw for that.
Oh, there is cake pops.
Here you go.
There's 2 of them.
Oh, sorry. There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You too. Total for that one was $5 and change. And next up is a Black Rock Coffee going 2.5 miles. And there is a line. Doesn't look as bad as last time, so there's that. Thank you. You too. Okay, that did end up taking forever, but luckily the drop-off is pretty close.
Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Total for that order was $7 and change. And we got the next one right away. This is Burger King, $7 going about 4 miles. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $16 going 4 miles, 6 items. Man, senior living places, oh my, they have a certain smell, let's put it that way. But anyways, we got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $8, going 5 miles, 2 items. I needed one of those as well.
Oh, yeah, go for it. I will be back in just a second. Awesome, thank you.
Next order up is a Black Rock coffee going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Burger King and Black Rock coffee. I think it said it was going just under 7 miles.
Good morning.
Morning. For Nicole.
All right, you want a crown to go?
Sure.
Awesome. Yeah, he's here for Nicole, please. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Michael.
Okay, this sucks. I didn't check to see which Black Rock coffee location this was gonna be, and it was the one that had the line earlier, which is unfortunate because that place is like pretty much drive-through only. This might be like a 45-minute stack. Okay, there is a line, but it looks like it might be moving. I'm number 5 or 6, and just like that, the line behind me is all the way out to the street. Keep in mind that there's a Black Rock coffee pretty close to the Burger King that I picked up from. It was the one that I walked into earlier. So if they had ordered from that one, I would have already had this dropped off and headed home.
One for that order.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $15. Yeah, that one kind of took forever. And the last Uber tip just came in. So on that note, we're gonna call it and go home. Current time is 10:29. Total, we ended up with $115. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.